I first discovered Captain Ortega's logbook in a monastery that overlooks the sea. On the morning of February 13th, 1634, Captain Ortega anchored his ship behind a barrier reef. That night, they were attacked by pirates. The ship set afire, sank into the lagoon. 10 days later, the captain was found, delirious, still clutching his logbook. He described a world of tiny underwater creatures, no bigger than his thumb. No one believed him. But you know, there's something about Captain Ortega's story that makes me believe it's true.
Take a dive and snorkel on in the deep blue sea. 'Cause in Snorkeland there's a happy life for you and me.
Gee, nothing exciting ever happens in Snorkland.
Why do you say that, All-Star? There's lots to do in Snorkland.
Casey, I'm not just talking about another afternoon hanging out at the clam burger stand. I mean something really exciting.
I know. Why don't we go see Galileo and see what he's got cooking?
Now that's the best idea I've heard all day. Oh, I hope Galileo is up to something. Huh? Whoa, let's get out of here! I think this is enough excitement already.
Strange? I've never seen this kind of fish before. I wonder what it tastes like.
Hey, let us go!
Yeah, pick on someone your own size.
Give me those, Bowser. I don't believe it. These fish can talk.
We're not fish, we're Snorks.
Snorks, schmorks, who gives a hoot? You can talk. That could be worth millions.
Find someone else, pal. Come on, guys.
Pretty swift, but not swift enough. Not only can they talk, but they can perform tricks, too. Don't you get it, you dumb mutt? These talking fish could be our ticket out of here. I've got me an idea. A brilliant one, as usual. Come on, Bowser, put a little muscle into it. This is our big break. Come one, come all, see the phenomenal spectacle that is already thrilling your neighbors and friends. See it now at the amazing Seashore Sideshow.
A sideshow? I don't like the sound of this, guys.
You and me both. It's getting kind of crowded in here.
Come, my little lovelies, it's showtime!
And just what is it we're supposed to do?
Perform for the folks. Now come on, move it!
Never, ever.
Yeah, never.
If you don't perform, I'll be forced to give Bowser here an early lunch. I knew you could be persuaded to see things my way. Ladies and gentlemen, behold the amazing, the colossal, the unbelievable Seashore Sideshow!
embarrassing. We've got to get out of here. Right, guys?
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh, brother, now what do I do?
See the show. See the show. Oh, come back for another amazing show in an hour. And bring your friends.
An hour? Come on, Tudor. We'd better practice some new tricks if we want to put on a good show. Now, let's see. We could use the teeter-totter more than we have been, and...
You know, Bowser, with this kind of business, we should play Cleveland.
Cleveland? If we go to Cleveland, it'll mean... I gotta do something. Hey, Bowser.
Get away from that window, you flea bag!
What's this? Trouble? Great Neptune, the governor's statue! It'll be crushed! This looks like a job for... the Snork Patrol! That's me. Whew, that was close. Well, maybe not that close. What's this? A note from All-Star? Snorks held hostage? Kids in trouble? This looks like another job for... the Snork Patrol! I'll just round up my favorite recruit. Oops.
Phew, spring cleaning is hard work.
Jojo! Just the man I need.
What for?
All-Star, Casey, and Tudor are in grave danger. It is up to us to save them from the terrible land giants.
Sounds fun. Move over. Don't worry, I'll carry the sub.
No need, my friend. Observe.
Not bad.
Now, don't you folks in the back worry. There'll be a whole new show in another hour. Not bad, you guys. Now it's time to clean up.
Oh, we're beat. Clean it yourself.
You know, Tudor, I'm beginning to think that the applause isn't worth all this work.
Oh, so you finally noticed.
And besides, I miss Snorkland.
Cheer up. We'll find a way to get... Look! Jojo, go back!
Turn around!
Hello, everybody. Nice puppy. Hey, be nice now. Okay, I warned you.
800, 900.
Unhand my friend, you scoundrel!
Huh? Another one. Good. More fish means more cash. Ah, got you.
Sir, you leave me no choice. I now declare Snork war upon you.
Why, little...
Had enough? Way to go, Jojo!
Yeah!
Gangway!
Hey, you come on. Gotcha, little...
Oh, sure. Come on in. Plenty of room. Just make yourself at home.
Neptune.
Well, I believe that settles that. Jojo, my good man, would you be so kind?
Certainly.
Hey, let me out of here! Open up! Bowser! Get over here, Bowser!
Thanks, Corky. Thanks, Jojo.
You guys were clamtastic back there.
They should have known better than to mess with the Snork Patrol.
Yay!
So, All-Star, was today exciting enough for you?
Oh, I can't wait to go home and have a nice, relaxing, boring day. Things sure are quiet around Snorkland today, Corky.
Read my book of snorkeling strategy, my boy. You never know what'll happen when you're out on Snork Patrol. Look over there. Something villainous is afoot even now.
All I see is a dumb old reef.
Right, but it wasn't here being dumb yesterday. I say it's time for a Snork Patrol stakeout.
Oh, brother.
Yeah, that cookie's no match for my new Barracuda sub.
Great Neptune! It's that soggy sea slug, Bigweed! This looks like a job for the Snork Patrol! You'll not harm Snorkland while I'm around, you cod! My gum gun is about to spell double bubble trouble for Bigweed!
How will I ever rule Snorkland with that sniveling Snork Patrol gumming up the works? If I could only get rid of Corky. But how? Aha! This Robo-Fish has given me an idea on how to defeat Corky and conquer Snorkland from within.
But if the Barracuda couldn't stop Corky, I don't see how two robots are going to...
Just wait till you meet them.
Yuck, mush! And they can't even talk!
They don't need to. My little robots are so lovable, they'll win all the Snorks over in a snip and a snap. In fact, that's what I've named them, Snip and Snap. It's time to go to Snorkland and start trouble.
To snork or not to snork? That is the question. Barnacle Brains, you just ruined my great impersonation of Corky.
Easy, Tutor. Junior's dad put up the money for this show. You want Corky to get the Hero of the Year award, don't you?
All-Star, would you please decorate the front of the school? I think it needs some sprucing up.
Oh, sure, Casey. Snip and Snap. What kind of Snorks are you? You're UFOs, unidentified floating objects. Oh, radical. Come on in and meet some Earth Snorks. Everybody, this is Snip and Snap, two for real UFOs.
Oh, they're so cute.
I can even talk to Tutor.
Quiet, please! I'm not finished with my speech. Oh, so you liked what I had to say, did you? All-Star, show these delightful aliens around our fair city.
Right, sir. First, I'll introduce him to Snorkland's biggest hero, Corky.
Mustn't try to snork across yourself, dear lady. Allow me to help you.
You'd see a true Earth hero in action, Snap, if you just turn around.
Whoa!
Look, it's Snorkland's newest condominium. Oh no! Those construction snorkers are trapped!
Looks like another job for the Snork Patrol! Thank you, my boy. I'm all left feet today.
That's Casey!
What? Another job for the Snork Patrol? A hero's work is never done. What in the world has gone wrong now?
Yikes! I'm too young to be an hors d'oeuvre.
3 cheers for Snip and Snap, Snorkland's newest heroes. Hip, hip, hooray!
Great Neptune, I'm a has-been hero. I've come here to tell you all that it's time for the Snork Patrol to retire.
Well, if you say so, Corky, I hereby name Snip and Snap our Snorkland Heroes of the Year.
Goodbye, friends. I'm exiling myself to Gallios Atoll.
Oh, Corky, you can't. Snorkland needs you.
Oh, no. You have Snip and Snap to protect you now. Farewell. So long, and...
I don't know about those 2 UFOs.
Watch my yuck-yuck sludge up Snorkland, little seaweed. It'll be easy now that Corky's gone. What is the meaning of this? Bigweed, these UFOs work for you?
Uh-huh.
I created them to help me take over Snorkland. You little tin pests! What do you mean you're like the Snorks? Take these rotten robots back home, little seaweed, and dismantle them.
You're next, you oversized waffle iron! Hey, where'd that robot go? Snip, what are you doing here, you traitor?
I don't understand a thing he's saying. Oh, Snip says we have to find Corky. He's the only one who can save Snorkland. Let's go!
Hey, Corky!
My little Snork Patrollers! Oh, it does my heart good to see you.
Bigweed's taken over Snorkland, and you're the only one who can save the town.
Right, Tutor. It's all up to me now. It's time to be a hero again.
Faster, faster! I want my barracuda polished till it gleams like gold! Snip! You've captured all these sneaky Snorks by yourself? Well, there's room for you in my empire of evil yet. Take the prisoners back to my volcano. I have big plans for them. Especially you, Corky.
Tell Bigweed the Snork Patrol has big plans for him. Not to mention a few good yucks.
Curses! I've been betrayed by my own robot! Galloping goldfish!
Abandon sub.
Why'd we have to abandon such a neat sub, Corky?
Because, my boy, I put bubblegum in his sharpshooters.
Oh, Corky, you're a real hero.
Hip, hip, hooray! I sure hope Gallio can put Snap back together again.
I'm afraid it was touch and go for a while. But little Snap is back together again. Good idea, Snip and Snap. We'll have a celebration.
To welcome 2 new heroes to town.
And to welcome back our hero of the year, Corky.
Well, like I said, you never know what'll happen when you're out on Snork Patrol.